What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson DCIV, and today ripping with the Demi, and I'm at my old training spot for the day one followers. You know, I started drone flying here, and it's 12 minutes driving to this spot, so the half of my driving time. So I'll be training here more because it's around the corner and I love this spot, so let's get this ripping.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
Once you woke up late in the morning light, and the day had just begun, she opened up her eyes and thought, oh, what a morning. Just lying on the beach and having fun. She's going to get you. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. So if you are inside and the day is right, she's the hunter, you're the fox. The gentle voice that talks to you won't talk forever. It is a night of passion, but the morning means goodbye. Beware of what is flashing in her eyes. She's going to get you. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. Baby, choice I leave to you.